Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these bone conduction headphones. I've never heard of these before. Apparently they don't go in your ear, but they just transfer the sound waves to your ear through the bones, basically. So the vibrations or something like that. So it's kind of an interesting concept. I've never heard of it before. Open your ears, feel your music, enjoy your life. So first things on the top, it comes with some earplugs. The card there has bone conduction headphones, instruction guide, user guide. All right, so it's bone conduction hearing protection, eco-friendly materials, lightweight, Bluetooth 5.3, waterproof. Charging USB-C. Interesting. There's the headphones. So yeah, we don't have nothing that goes in your ear. So this goes like in front of your ear, like right here on the bone there, right on that bone right there. See if there's anything else in the box. Okay, so the USB to USB-C cord is under there. I'm hoping there's a little bit of charge in here so we can hook this up to our phone real quick. I'm going to see if there is, get this rolling here. So earplugs, turn on for 3 seconds until the light indicator flashes red and blue. Will prompt power on and Bluetooth. Start with times 14, turn off. X14. Okay, so we're just going to power this on, hopefully. We're going to hold down power until the light starts flashing blue and red. Okay, there we have it. There's that little light there on the bottom, and that's flashing. Get my phone here. Pretty excited to try these out. We're gonna just go to YouTube. Sorry, not YouTube, Bluetooth. Let's see, Bluetooth connection. Should be X14 on that. Dun, 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 dun. Bluetooth. There we go, X14. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Popped up right there on the bottom. Pairing. It says Bluetooth pairing request. Pair, there we go. Sweet. It's 90% battery already. All right. Let's give it a shot here. This could be cool. So these are lightweight. It fits like really nice on my ears there. I'm like, it's not coming off of there. You could be running or whatever. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna fire up some tunes here. Go to my Amazon Alexa app. And let's play some music, shall we? Later, let's play Unstoppable by Red. This device. That's weird. I mean, I can hear it. That's kind of cool. Okay. You can still hear it a little bit, like a regular earphone. That's kind of neat. Let me see here. I put in the earplugs. So like, I don't know about hearing like other people talking and stuff. That's pretty cool. So you put the the earplugs in, and it's even like, it's even more, the sound is like even more animated, more real. Interesting. I've never really ran across this type of thing here before. So it does have a little buttons here for plus and minus. I'm actually going to see if I can't. So plus is on the front, plus, and the middle button. I want to see if I can bump this up a little bit. Oops. I bumped it up by pushing that button to go forward another. So you can feel like the vibration in there. So the middle button is stops it, pauses it. Actually pretty cool technology here. I've never really, it's a little bit different than having it in the ears, but it tells you what the buttons do. You can click volume button 4 times. It goes to game mode, active voice assistant, reset headphones, skip to next song. So it has a bunch of different options here you can do. Kind of cool though. Game mode, music mode. Yeah, I'm kind of sold on these, but like I said, you put these in, not all like these have like voice or noise canceling headphones or whatever, and even those like so I have some Samsung Galaxy Buds or whatever, and I use those, but when I'm like mowing my lawn, if I'm using my weed eater, for some reason with those, if I have the high active noise canceling on, it'll make this like really loud like static noise in there, which it's not cool. So these, if you're actually mowing your lawn or something, and then you can put these like earplugs in to cancel out the rest of the noise. If you don't want to, it's because a lot of times if you are wearing these but you still want to be able to hear people, you can put these on and you can still hear like other people talking to you. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. These are really light, and it's not like it doesn't feel like heavy or anything. If I wear those Samsung Galaxy Buds for a long time, like my inner ear starts kind of hurting in the cartilage a little bit. These are really comfortable. Pretty cool technology, actually. Like I said before, I hadn't run into anything like these before, but I'm kind of digging it. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.